Can you directly use your standard RingCentral number to set up a personal WhatsApp account or a regular WhatsApp business account? The short answer is, not typically in the way you might think of a direct, plug-and-play solution like using your mobile phone number. WhatsApp primarily verifies accounts via SMS or voice call to the number you're trying to register. Standard RingCentral numbers, while capable of receiving calls and SMS, are part of a larger cloud-based phone system. They aren't traditional mobile numbers tied to a physical SIM card. This distinction is crucial because WhatsApp's verification process is designed to confirm that you have direct access to a mobile number. While some virtual numbers can be used for WhatsApp verification, it often depends on the virtual number provider and whether their numbers are recognized as legitimate by WhatsApp's system. There's no guarantee that a standard RingCentral direct dial number will consistently receive the WhatsApp verification code needed for a personal or regular WhatsApp business app setup. However, this doesn't mean that RingCentral and WhatsApp are entirely incompatible. Far from it. The integration happens at a more sophisticated level, primarily through the WhatsApp Business API, and with the help of third-party integration platforms. This is where the real power lies for businesses. The WhatsApp Business API is designed for medium to large businesses that need to communicate with customers at scale. It allows businesses to integrate WhatsApp messaging into their existing systems, like CRM, customer service platforms, and yes, even unified communications platforms like RingCentral. Here's how it generally works. Firstly, you need to apply for and get approved for a WhatsApp Business API account. This typically involves working with a WhatsApp business solution provider, BSP, or a platform that facilitates this. RingCentral itself has offerings like RingCX, which supports WhatsApp as a digital channel, or you can use other integration platforms. Once your WhatsApp Business API account is set up, you can connect it to your RingCentral environment. This is usually done through integrations that allow for the flow of messages between the two platforms. Imagine a customer sending a WhatsApp message to your business. Instead of it going to a standalone WhatsApp app, it can be routed directly into your RingCentral customer engagement platform, where your agents can respond from a unified dashboard, alongside calls, emails, and other digital channels. What are the benefits of this kind of integration? Unified communication hub. All customer interactions, whether they originate from a phone call, email, SMS, or WhatsApp message, can be managed from a single interface within RingCentral. This eliminates the need for agents to switch between multiple applications, improving efficiency and reducing the chance of missed communications. Improved customer service. Customers prefer to interact on their preferred channels. By integrating WhatsApp, businesses can offer support through an app that billions already use, leading to higher customer satisfaction and engagement. Automated messaging. The WhatsApp Business API allows for automated messages, such as order confirmations, shipping updates, appointment reminders, and even conversational AI chatbots. These can be triggered by events within your RingCentral system or other connected business tools, streamlining routine communications and freeing up agents for more complex issues. Rich media support. Send images, videos, documents, and even interactive buttons within WhatsApp messages, enhancing the customer experience and providing richer information. Scalability. The API is built for scale, allowing businesses to handle a high volume of WhatsApp messages without compromising performance. Enhanced agent productivity. Agents can access customer history and context across all channels, leading to more personalized and effective interactions. They can also leverage features like quick replies and message templates to respond faster. Analytics and reporting. By routing WhatsApp conversations through a platform like RingCentral, you gain access to valuable analytics and reporting on message volume, response times, and customer engagement, allowing you to optimize your communication strategy. Compliance and security. Managing WhatsApp communication through a professional platform helps maintain compliance with data privacy regulations and ensures secure handling of customer information. It's important to differentiate between the free WhatsApp Business app, which is designed for small businesses and manually managed, and the WhatsApp Business API, which is for larger operations requiring integration and automation. While you might struggle to directly verify the free WhatsApp Business app with a standard RingCentral number, The API is where RingCentral truly shines in its ability to integrate. Platforms like Integrately, Pipedream, and Pabbly Connect offer pre-built integrations or tools to create custom workflows that connect RingCentral and WhatsApp Business API. These tools act as bridges, allowing data and messages to flow seamlessly between the two systems. For instance, you could set up an automation where a new inbound SMS to your RingCentral number triggers a specific message template to be sent via WhatsApp Business API, or vice versa. So, while you might not use your RingCentral number to get a simple WhatsApp verification code for a personal account, you can absolutely leverage the power of RingCentral in conjunction with WhatsApp for professional communication. This is done through the WhatsApp Business API, which allows for robust, scalable, and integrated messaging solutions. It's about evolving your communication strategy to meet customer expectations and streamline your operations in the digital age. The key takeaway is to think beyond a simple phone number connection. Consider how your business communicates and how a comprehensive solution that integrates messaging apps like WhatsApp with your existing communication infrastructure, like RingCentral, can transform your customer interactions. This is where the true value lies, enabling you to deliver exceptional customer service and build stronger relationships. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.